A very good morning to all the students and let's continue with the next lecture. Previous lecture के अंदर हमने generalized momentum को निकाला था, उसका expression निकाला था and on the basis of that we said कि कैसे कैसे मेरे स्टेशनरी सिस्टम होने के कारण या कंजर्व सिस्टम होने के कारण जो मेरा एक्सप्रेशन आएगा जनरलाइज मोमेंटम का वो कैसे कैसे मॉडिफाई होगा और हमने उसे निकाला था काइनेटिक एनर्जी के थ्रू। तो सेम तरीके से अब हम दोबारा आगे चलते हैं। हमारा आज का टॉपिक रहेगा जनरलाइज्ड फोर्स। जनरलाइज्ड फोर्स। अब जब हम फोर्स निकालने के लिए बोलेंगे तो फोर्स का हमने जैसे बोला कि कंपोनेंट निकालते हैं, तो इस बार भी हम क्या करेंगे, हम पहले वर्क डन निकालेंगे एंड वर्क डन से विल ट्राई टू रिड्यूस द एक्सप्रेशन टू गेट आवर एक्सप्रेशन फॉर द जनरलाइज्ड फोर्स। अब सबसे पहले हमारे पास वर्क डन व्हाट वी यूज टू गेट इज वर्क इज ऑलवेज फोर्स इनटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट, यही होता था। नाउ we'll consider a system which has 3n number of particles and the force being applied on the system is given by summation Fi vector, and this force which is the summation Fi vector is making a small displacement of del Ri summation, and this force making this displacement will give me some amount of work being done. So I'll get del W. Del, I hope you all know, del is the minimum quantity change which we always take. So we'll start with del W and it will be given as summation I equals to 1 to n Fi vector ka dot into del Ri. Del Ri, again in the previous lectures we said the equation or the formula or the representation of del Ri vector is given as summation j equals to 1 to 3n del Ri vector by del Qj into del Qj. Why? Because we need to find the expression in terms of my generalized coordinates. सीधी सी बात है। तो अब क्या करेंगे, इस इक्वेशन का जो भी एक्सप्रेशन है विल सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू बैक इन माय प्रीवियस इक्वेशन। सो आई विल गेट del W is equals to summation I equals to 1 to n Fi dot summation j equals to 1 to 3n del Ri by del Qj into del Qj. Now as you can see very clearly out there, work done is force into displacement where delta Qj is my displacement, and according to the formula for work done the rest of the expression should constitute my force, and this is why this expression will give me my generalized force. तो अगर मैं इस इक्वेशन में से इस पार्ट को सेपरेट आउट करके लिखूंगी तो आई विल गेट Qj, कैपिटल Qj will be my notation for generalized force and it will be summation I equals to 1 to n Fi vector del Ri vector upon del Qj. So this is the expression for my generalized force. This is quite easy as compared to the generalized momentum one because the expression for the kinetic energy came out to be quite large and we had to find the derivative also. But here it's simply just put the value and compare it with the standard formula which is the force into displacement and separate out the displacement. Rest of the expression will directly give me my generalized force. This is in the case of a linear motion, or you can say when my generalized coordinates or everything is in linear motion. Now suppose I have a central force, or you can say a conservative system where my force will have the components in terms of r and theta. So my force F vector will be given as F r component in direction of r cap plus F theta component in the direction of theta, where r cap and theta cap are my unit vectors, and displacement will be given as r into r cap. This is very simple, right? This is not very tough thing. So in this case I will get two components of my generalized force also. यहाँ पे भी मेरे दो कंपोनेंट है, तो कॉमन सी बात है कि मेरे पास r की डायरेक्शन में एंड थीटा की डायरेक्शन में जनरलाइज्ड फोर्स भी आएगी, क्योंकि निकालना हमें इन्हीं दो चीज़ों से है. सो क्यू आर component will be given as F vector into del r vector by del r. F vector will be F r r cap plus F theta theta cap into r की वैल्यू r डालेंगे तो I'll get del r by del r into r cap. ये कैंसिल, ये वन हो जाएगा, and the dot product will give me only the component of fr. F theta will cancel out, so I'll get qr is equal to fr. One result. Similarly, q theta component will be given as f dot del r by del theta. I'll get f r r cap plus f theta theta cap dot, यहाँ से अब क्या आ जाएगा, r बाहर आ जाएगा एंड r कैप का डेरिवेटिव आएगा बाय del theta, and from here I'll get, it will be r as it is, and I'll get f theta component. So I'll get that in terms of generalized force, the radial component remains almost equivalent in both the coordinate system, but when we are going from normal coordinate system to generalized coordinate system, the theta component of generalized force will also have the displacement r also along with the theta component of my normal force. So this is my generalized force and the expression corresponding to it. I hope it is clear to all of you.